We have a patient today, 27 years old. He wanted to do a temple reconstruction. So when you look at the history, he wished to wear a wig. Besides, I already advised him and I told him the medical protocol, injectable, will work for him, and he persuaded me to reinforce his temple. And today is day 7.
I'm 27 years old. I have been suffering from hair loss since the past 10 years. So I decided to wear a wig since the past few years. But the wig was not sufficient to cover my receding temporal points. So I did my research and came to know about Dr. Just. And I visited him and told him my problem.
This is the temple. This is a temple point. Soft look here, very fine graft here, perpendicular slits. And the angle is going this way and slowly is going down towards this way to match the parietal area on the right side here. So we grafted the graft here, all a fine graft. Here is very fine graft and it goes up like this.
I'm quite satisfied with how everything went so far and how they managed my entire journey. So I decided to go for a full hair transplant in future. I'm pretty sure it will definitely be no other than Dr. Just.